Welcome back to the Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. If you guys are new around here, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. We put a video out every single day, except for Sundays this month, about Kaspa. We currently just hit 200 subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys so much for that. You guys have given me a ton of support. I've gotten really nice messages from you guys on the Discord. If you guys do want to talk to me, you can head over to the Discord. Kaspa Silver in the Kaspa Discord channel. Go ahead. If you want to friend me over there, you can. But just thank you guys so much for the support. Really, really love it, guys. I'm doing this all for free. This is just a hobby of mine that I want to do on the side. And if it becomes profitable in the future, so be it, Lord willing, who knows. But ultimately, I just have a desire to make YouTube videos and educate people on Kaspa, because I think this is a really, really good gem, and many people don't even understand what they're really holding onto. In today's video, I want to talk about some price action, some news, and just kind of give you a little update and recap for this week. So, as always, before we begin, let's get into price action. So to start, Kaspa is currently up 0.30%. It's not doing anything anymore, which is actually really, really good. I've been calling for a while. If you watch my previous videos, you would have heard me said, hey, we're going to come down to this 2-2 area. We had a good consolidation here, so this may be a good floor to try to make. And it happened. And it looks like Kaspa is trying to build a nice little floor here at the 2 to 2.5 area, which would be really, really good. As long as we hold this floor, I think Kaspa is going to do really well. Currently, market cap is at $458 million, just under 500 million. We'll get there again. Volume is up 13% at 16 million. Circulating supply is at 18 billion now. Guys, remember, that is always increasing very fast. So the price is going to reflect that. It's not going to just go up indefinitely. We're not going to see $1 tomorrow. Okay, guys? Keeping it real. Just be patient. This is a long-term play, and anything can happen. Kaspa could fail for all we know. Just always remember to do your own research. Only invest what you're willing to lose. And please, please, please cover your bills. Cover your bills. Don't be in debt. Get those things situated first. If you're investing into crypto, I highly recommend that you don't invest into crypto if you're not even investing into a solid retirement plan and all that kind of stuff, because those things are very, very important, and I don't want you guys to get burned in crypto. As always, I'm keeping a good strategy, buying every single Monday no matter what. It doesn't affect me where the price is, to be honest. As long as it's under 5 cents, I'm really happy about buying this coin. So we're looking pretty good there. Another thing I want to look at before we get into some other news is actually the block explorer, because I want to show you guys some things. The hash rate's doing really well, guys. It's been going up every single day. I've been looking at it, and it's been just continuously going up slowly over time, which is super, super good for Kaspa, that this hash rate gets higher, because the higher the hash rate, the more security and the more miners are mining Kaspa. And this is good for seeing Kaspa as an actual reliable coin to be mining. Next, I want to also look at the top addresses. This is a place where you can go to check out who's holding what. And the good thing about seeing these percentages right here, it's good when they're declining, because that means the wealth is being spread around a lot more. It's being more evened out. We don't have a ton of whales holding all the coins. This was at 19%, I think, about like a week ago. This has been in this area for a long time. This dropped a little bit. It was at 63, and it looks like it's starting to drop more and more down, which is good. That means more than 1,000 people are starting to hold more Kaspa, so this is going to keep dropping, which is what we need. We don't want tons of everyone just holding all the bag of Kaspa, but this is still really good, dispersed out really well. As you can see here, the humpbacks, and I like to come down here and remove these ones, because these ones are not that, these right here are just very small holders, and could be mining addresses and whatnot. but this is like the big bulk of where everyone's at right here, these top sections right here. So I like to just come here and look where we were. So especially for the 100 million to 1 billion, you can see we were at 7, and now today we are at 6. So we did lose one of those, which is good. The 10 million to 100 million has been pretty steady. I mean, it's 5. There's 5 more holders that are higher now. We're out there too, and the 1 million to 10 million has just been increasing only. Same with the 100K to 1 million, just simply increasing like crazy. People are holding on to this coin because a lot of people are starting to realize and understand what this coin really is. The price movement, guys, when it goes down, all it is it's just making people have fear in the market, and it's just cleaning out all the people who are emotional investors. They're not even investors, because typically an investment is holding on to something for up to 5 years. So if you're already selling or thinking about selling, you're a trader. I'm sorry. Like, you might think you're investing, but that's not investing. Investing is holding on to something for a long period of time. Anything shorter than that is like short-term investing, or you could just simply call it trading, because people just don't understand their investment. This is why my channel is focused on education and my opinion on Kaspa, to hopefully educate you guys on what you're really holding with this coin. All right, next, let's get into the news of the day. So Kaspa is going to have a new exchange listing on BitGet. I'm really not a big fan of these exchange listings on these sketchy exchanges, because it just causes these price pumps, and then people FOMO in and they buy at the top, and then when it comes down, because whatever goes up must come down usually in crypto, they start selling because they just bought in because the price went up. And guys, let's just remember, when the price starts zooming up, don't FOMO in. Stick to the strategy. Just find a consistent strategy if you want to keep buying more Kaspa. But remember, it's not professional financial advice. Just remember to not overbuy and buy at the top. Next, Kaspa integrated on liquid mining. So honestly, I don't know much about this, but supposedly you can start mining Kaspa with like in the cloud. I think that's what it is. Honestly, I tried setting this up a little bit and it just didn't even work for me. And also, I think you had to use like the Tron wallet and all that stuff, and I'm like, I don't want to use another coin that I don't believe in. Not only that, Tron was recently just charged by the SEC for being a security, because it is. So I don't really mind this much about this. I'm buying Kaspa, not gonna look to mine it. Don't have the money like that for all that stuff. And also, this is a beta app. This liquid mining app is in beta. It's not even officially released either. So if you want to look into that, here's the article. You can find it on their page. But honestly, personally, I don't think I'm going to be really making a video about this, because it's just nothing that I would personally use, and I don't want to really make a video on something that I myself am not going to use at all. So let's go to the next thing. This right here is obviously the chart for seeing Kaspa work, the network work in action, but this is actually the test net. This is Rust on Kaspa. This is the link right here. If you want to see this, it's kgi-testnet.kaspad.net. You come here and this is Rust. So you could see Rust in action, because right now it's currently still being tested. And so if we actually go over here to the home page of Kaspa, you can go to developments, and right here you can also see what's being done. So right here, upgrade consensus to follow the Dagnite protocol. We're going to be talking about Dagnite pretty soon, but it's in development. But if we keep going, Kaspa Rustlang coding is currently in testing. So we moved from development to testing, and right here, here's your proof. Your proof was that link over there, right here, that we are currently testing it. Things are being done, and just remember that these things take time. This stuff isn't going to happen overnight. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys had a good week. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'm most likely going to be doing my first live stream, YouTube live stream. So if you guys want to be there, make sure you guys are subscribed and have the notification bell turned on so you guys can be alerted of that when I go live tomorrow. So, hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.